In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your LinkedIn password. If you're locked out of your account or you simply can't remember your password, don't worry. LinkedIn makes the reset process pretty straightforward, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly what to do so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. To begin, open your browser and go to the LinkedIn login page. This is the standard sign-in screen where you normally enter your account details. If you're not already there, make sure you're on the official LinkedIn website before moving forward. That helps ensure you're resetting your password safely and through the correct page. Once you're on the login screen, look for the field where LinkedIn asks for your email address or phone number. In that box, enter the email or phone number connected to your LinkedIn account. It's important to use the contact information that's actually associated with your profile, because LinkedIn will use it to help verify your identity and begin the password recovery process. Take a moment here to make sure the information is typed correctly. A small typo can prevent LinkedIn from finding your account, so if the reset doesn't seem to work right away, this is one of the first things you'll want to double check. After entering your email address or phone number, look just below the sign-in area for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This is the option that tells LinkedIn you need help accessing your account. Once you select it, LinkedIn will guide you through the next part of the recovery process on the following screen. As a helpful tip, if you have access to both your email and phone number, keep them nearby during this process. LinkedIn may send a verification code or a reset link, and responding quickly can make the reset go much more smoothly. Also, be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see a reset email in your inbox right away. When you create your new password, choose something secure but memorable. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid reusing old passwords, especially if they've been used on other websites. And that's it for getting started with resetting your LinkedIn password. Follow the prompts after clicking Forgot Password, and you should be back in your account in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.